Okay, to help our whole body health, to remove those blockages, stagnations, we can start from our head, because the head is we said the yang qi, where the yang qi accumulate place, especially at the top, like top point. The point means the name is Bai Hui. We said all the yang qi goes here. So in the morning, the first thing when you get up, you wake up, then you just typing on your head here. That can help you yang qi goes up. Yang qi is the energy help our whole day activities. If we have enough yang qi, and we have the energy to do our daily your whatever activities we need to do. So we can thinking clear, also focus and memory better. This all related to the yang qi, and the good immunity all related to yang qi. So in the morning, first thing when you get up, tap in your head. That's make you yang qi stronger, and also help you wake up. If you have difficult to wake up in the morning, that's we need to tap here. This point by Hui point is from the year, top of the year to this year, and in the center line across this one, that's the point by Hui. And another thing help our in the morning, is the massage your ear. The ear represents the whole body. This one we'll talk more, massage your ear. It's kind of like massage your whole body. This is extra, extra. And okay, so how you check if you have any stagnation in your head? So we can go from the meridian. The head have 5 lines like meridian. In the middle is Du meridian. The side that's a bladder meridian. Bladder meridian is not just for its blood function. Actually, it's for whole body. Since it's from the head, see the both sides are black ones, and there's 4 lines, 2 lines each sides. It's already to all internal organs, all the internal organs points is here. So this one is very important. It's all the way goes to here, see? That's the bladder meridian, goes to here. The name is bladder meridian, but actually it's whole body. Whole body, very important. And also the back, I said so many points, it's like our solar panel. So get more sunshine on your back, absorbs the yang qi in your back. So this is very important. And the extra things, and check your blood. So from check your points, painful points. From the middle, you can this one, this line. So this one line, second line. This green one is gallbladder. Gallbladder actually 2 lines here, 3 almost here. Can you see? 3 lines here. So this one also written, you have a ear problem, tinnitus, like side headache on the side. It's all related to the gallbladder problems. Also gallbladder or liver problem, or have a headache on the side. And so last week I saw talk about the comb your hair from front to the back, and then also the side. So this can cover all the meridians. So in the morning and in the evening before you go to sleep. This actually, if you lose hair, people just do this and your hair can grow more and more. And if you have like especially 2 sides already have gray hair, and if you come more, because you have stagnation actually, if you are still young, stagnation. So that's when your hair cannot get enough like the nutrition. That's why it's loose, and also the color also change like a gray. But if you keep doing it, people can reverse this process, make the hair grow more. Even already bald, people can the hair come back and then turn back to the natural color. So I think for first you can use the comps or use your finger. Try to find try to find the painful spot. Most people in this side, both sides, the gallbladder, because gallbladder and the liver is like a sisters, brothers. So now people sleep usually very late. That will hurt the liver gallbladder functions because they start from the chi goes to gallbladder, and the liver meridian is from 11 to 1123. Then if you sleep late, then that will affect the functions. So try to find if you have any painful like this ear, the points above the ear, many people feel very painful. Very painful here. This side, the gallbladder area. They have 3 nests. Remember, 3 nests for gallbladder. And also the middle. Both sides like parallel. This bladder meridian in the middle. That's the dual meridian. So yeah, here, look at those. These are the meridians, and also here, this is also your massage your head can also help your whole body. See those related to your whole body, like internal organs. And also this area, last week I already talked about this area also related to our emotions, depressing ashes. You feel very painful here, this area, So you can massage the front, like this triangle area, massage here. That also can help you emotion, feel better. Okay, that's for head, another thing. Okay, another one you can massage your head is this one. This picture is not that accurate. Actually, this 4 points is from the Bai Hui in the center. The picture here is a little bit too front, from Bai Hui, and left, right, up and down. That's this picture should be, So that's for this is help you. This help you yang qi, help yang qi. So you can, because many people actually right now I think maybe 99% of the people have yang qi deficiency. And so also check your body temperature if it's lower than 98.6. If your body temperature 98.6, that's the best. That the virus cancer cells is difficult to survive. And so because our yang qi deficiency, usually here have the yang qi deficiency feel painful here. If you sleep, most people sleep late after midnight or around midnight, then gradually you feel painful here. And also if you feel very painful here, and if your hair loose in the top of your head, that also means your kidney function is getting weaker or have some problems. You just pay attention to this one. If it's especially painful, headache, and if headache here, the side is related to gallbladder, the top is related to kidney function. The front, if a headache, is stomach, digestion issue. And another one, you massage the head is the back, this area. Yeah, from the picture, this picture is very good, very good, easy. And this one especially, how to say, right now almost everyone, if you press here have soreness, painful. Lots of people have like neck tightness, shoulder pain, very tight stress. Everyone use computer, cell phone, or too long and stress. This all accumulate here. So almost everyone have the painful in this area. So you need to massage more this area, But this one is also like try to press on the bone. This bone here you can feel, it's not that easy to find the very painful spot. So you need to try more times to find the painful spot, especially see here, this one related to the gallbladder, and this one bladder meridian. Those can usually this when people have very tightly neck problem, I usually acupuncture those points and immediately they are tightly much relief. So you make your working find those spot, and also another thing, you can say, some people have a line, like a kind of like a line here, the muscle. If the man without the here, we can say, that's also means they have too much stagnation. Too much stagnation. If they have severe lines here, that means it's very easy to maybe have stroke. So if you have high blood pressure, you definitely, here is, especially under you, if you have high blood pressure under your ear here, beside, behind the ear, this point, you massage the muscle here, here, under ear, and also the muscle here is very painful. Here, under it, very painful here. So all the people have the high blood pressure, they have the this place have stagnations, and also you have, if you have ear problem, eye problem, usually this all have stagnation blocked. So you need to massage here and the back, the whole area, both sides, because the muscle is from here connect to front. So I told many people to try to massage here, the collarbone, right under your collarbone. You probably feel very painful. Many people feel very painful under the collarbone here. Try to press, and also here, probably very painful, because that's connected to the back. So for the head, so those area and the top and the side, and also this is triangle area. Now that's and comb your hair, or maybe just tapping. It's like if you play piano. Yeah, make the piano tip, da 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 da. It's like a play piano. Follow the lines like a parallel, like 5 lines both sides, and gradually, you feel the soreness is gone. The painful spot is decreased, like or maybe less and less. The painful level. If you found here like a head of your okay, so here is because related to kidney function. So I give you another point. If your top of your head you feel painful, then you can also massage the kidney points at bottom of your foot here to help it. To help this remove the blockage quicker. Help your kidney functions. This is 涌泉 涌泉 point. That's in the middle, and 1/3 from the top to middle. That's the location. Okay, so that's for the head. And then after we check the head, and then we need to check our hands, the whole body. This we'll talk about like this next week. Next week we one by one.